2 years ago, we introduced to the world the Magnet Driver, a revolutionary magnetic screw holder, the best invention of 2015. Thanks to the Kickstarter community, we were able to reach thousands of investors from all over the world, helping them revolutionize their working habits. And there's no stopping us now. Our team has been working meticulously on developing new products and improving the functionality of previous ones. Presenting the new Magnet Driver Kit, your total tool answer for home projects, vehicle repairs, and maintenance needs that has a variety of features to help you optimize your workflow, making it faster and more convenient to complete your tasks. Perfect for amateurs to professionals. This kit, based on magnetic properties, includes the Magnet Driver 50, Magnet Band, Magnet Evo 25, Magnet Chuck, double bit, drill bit, ring stopper, magnet handle, and magnet nail holder. The Magnet Driver 50 is ideal for single or double tip power bits and simple screwdrivers. It holds your screws in place while using a drill or screwdriver. Now with a more optimized design and more flexibility and resistance, it is more compatible with different bits and guarantees the perfect finish for any screwing task. The Magnet Band is a masterfully designed magnetic band that helps you organize your bits, nuts, and screws. It is crafted with an elastic band that lets you carry it on your wrist, ankle, or even on your drill. It's your toolbox made super portable, preventing lost time and accessories. The Magnet Evo 25 is made for 25mm dual-use bits. Its uniquely designed special hitch allows it to adjust to the drill driver and prevents the bit holder from falling off the drill chuck. Its versatility also allows it to be placed on the front of a classic magnet bit holder and converts it into a screw holder. The Magnet Chuck is a professional drill bit holder with a secure connection for power bits that are simple, double, or insert bits. It incorporates the Magnet Driver Evo, preventing the bit holder from falling off the drill chuck. This new product combination creates a never-seen-before tool that will drastically improve your drilling technique. The double bit is an ensemble of metallic chrome-plated drill bits compatible with all Magnet Driver accessories and is color-coded and laser-marked with size references. Its high-quality material means we guarantee a long-lasting product life. The Drill Bit 10 in 1 are drill bits made of 100% durable steel with a carbide tip. They are color-coded and laser-etched, resistant to any material, and compatible with hexagonal locking systems. The ring stopper is a cap able to be faceted to the hexagonal part of various power bits and prevents any displacement of the magnet driver. Its perfect compatibility with the magnet driver helps stabilize it and is our #1 recommendation for repetitive tasks. The magnet handler boasts an ultra-modern design and dual functionality for screwing and storing at the same time. It's an ergonomic handle compatible with double power bits, simple power bits, hexagonal-based drill bits, and bit holders. It can also work as an extension and takes up little space. The magnet nail holder has also been remarkably improved with a new material and is color-coded with an easy hook-on feature. It has a hexagonal head, ideal for holding nails in a secure way without risking harm to your fingers. The Magnet Driver Kit is your integral product combination for any situation: drilling, driving, and nailing. With these carefully crafted tools and accessories, you can undertake any kind of project with a secure and advanced approach. They allow you to work more comfortably, carrying out projects efficiently and getting to hard-to-reach places without any problem. Maximize your tool's possibilities thanks to the universality of our pieces, making once complicated jobs quicker and easier. Join the thousands of people who trust in Magnet Driver, your ultimate design solution for all your inspired projects. Help us make the best invention for DIY of 2018.
When we first started Roam Proof, we thought we were in the business of electronics. But then we found out we were actually in the business of people and the business of adventuring and the business of experience. And we have a responsibility to build products that can do all of it. and not just do it, but thrive. I mean, yeah, you could call it overkill, but they told us to make the packaging out of cardboard, and we said no, because that's not what Roam Proof does. That would be compromising on the level of quality that we've now learned to love. And that's what makes our product so special, is that we absolutely do not compromise.
Missing someone. No more. I am sad and so down.
Do you have storage nightmares with your current tools? The Modular Moto wrench set replaces more than 100 different hand tools and is just 4 inches wide, 6 inches tall, and less than 2 inches thick. Users are amazed at the number and weight of the conventional tools that our Modular Moto wrench set replaces. Our complete set fits almost anywhere. Store this set under the seat, in a tank bag, a tail bag, a pocket, or in the glove box. We've got serious tools for every mode of travel. On the bike, on the ATV, on the water, in the home, and in the car. 16 different hand wrench and tool length options that provide duplicates for those two-sided fasteners where bolts and nuts are used. 32 different combination wrench options that provide duplicates when you need the same sizes in each hand. 19 different hand screw nut driver options, including cross points, flats, Allens, torque or star bits, and 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch socket adapters. 19 different 90-degree drive handle tool options. 16 different heavy-duty 90-degree drive handle and tool length options. Modular pliers designed and built for grasping chain clips, cotter pins, and cutting or crimping. We'll carry individual components and replacement parts for lost items so that you can keep your Modular Moto wrench sets complete for years to come. Cases available in camo and colors to match most brands so that you can keep your favorite machines happy. On the bike, in the dirt, on the water, in the home, in the family car or truck.
Hi, I'm Jonathan Williams, a California state licensed journeyman electrician for over 10 years. I've always had a passion for creating new things, and when I run into a problem on the job, sometimes I'll end up modifying one of my own tools or even creating a new one from scratch in order to solve that problem. In construction, having an outlet handy to charge your cell phone or tablet is a constant problem. We're not just texting and calling anymore, we're using a lot more apps and taking a lot more pictures than we used to. One day, while working on a project, I really needed to take a picture, but I couldn't because my cell phone was dying. And I wondered, what if I could use the same batteries that power my cordless tools to charge my cell phone? What if I could use the same batteries that power my camping gear to charge my iPad? This is how the idea for the USBeast was born. Using the process I learned from my University of Pennsylvania coursework in product design, as well as years of experience, I've gone through several prototypes and design revisions, which led me to this finished product. The USBeast is compact, has 2 charging ports, and can even charge larger devices such as tablets or even small laptops, such as the latest MacBook and Chromebooks. There's a molded handle on top of the USBeast, making it easy to place on your battery or to pull up and store when you're not using it. Let's compare the USBeast to this portable USB charger. To equal the charging power of the USBeast, paired with this lithium battery, you need not 1, not 2, but 7 of these typical USB chargers. We've been field testing prototypes of the USBeast for several months now, and here's what Ken, one of the testers, has to say.
I got a chance to try it and I really liked it. I took the USBeast with me camping and hiking, and I was able to charge my phone at least 5 times without having to do anything. It was great. I could see myself, if this was available at Home Depot later on, picking one up and maybe using it in my survival kit in case the power goes out. It worked that well.
Based on user feedback and extensive testing, we know that this design is ready for manufacturing. Whether you're at the campsite, the hiking trail, job site, or the office, with the USBeast, you'll have plenty of charging power whenever you need it. So now, I need your help to take my dream, the USBeast, to the next level. And with your pledge, together, we can make this happen. Thank you for your support.